Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial again, we are going to discuss about HTML display. HTML display. Quickly, let's get started. HTML display. You cannot be sure how HTML will be displayed. Large or small screens and resized windows will create different results. With HTML, you cannot change the display by adding extra spaces or extra lines in your HTML code. The browser will automatically remove any extra spaces and lines when the page is displayed. For example, let's copy this code and use it quickly. Paste it here. This is a paragraph. This P is for paragraph. So let's say imagine you write a document like this. It's not possible to look like this. All this that you write, you notice one thing. You jump a space here. You didn't do like this. All these, they are not on the same line, right? They are not on the same line like this, right? So you just did it like this. You arrange it by yourself, right? But to be honest with you, in the HTML document, this cannot work. All these are going to be aligned at once. They are going to be arranged and be on one single line till the end of this P tag. That is, everything here will be on a straight line. And after this one, this P line, we have another one. It will be going like that. They will jump line, jump a new line, jump a new line. So that's what they call displays in the HTML. So let's save it and reload our page. Can you see? This paragraph contains a lot of lines in the source code, but the browser ignores it. As you can see, browser ignores all this gap, all this space that we give it. Browser ignore everything, and this one also browser ignores it. You see, no space here, a lot of space here. Browser ignore everything. It just jump to a new line once it's reached the end of the content here, because the browser has its own default way of rendering HTML documents. So it's used to give it a margin automatically, give it a new line once it's reached the end of the document. So I hope you can understand this clearly. Know how you write it. Even let's say I write another one. Let's say we write P. Write P. Write wow. And you jump like this. Write you jump like this. You write oh, you write VVV. You jump like this. You write if you think it's going to display like this, it's not true. Everything is going to be on a single line like this until the line is finished before it breaks automatically. This will never work in this way, but this one is very good to write in this manner, maybe because of the view, so you can be able to see what you are writing clearly. But no matter how you write it in this manner, it's not going to jump like this. Everything is going to be on a straight line. So let me save it and see how it looks. As you can see, wow, HHH. Notice one thing here. Can you see? When I write this, the H, see where the H finished? The H finished here. One thing happens here. One thing happens here. What do you notice here now? Do you notice anything? The HHHH that we wrote here jumps. Wow. And do you know the reason why it jumps? It's because of the size I gave my font. Now you can see everything are on the same line, as you can see. So this browser is automatically arranging the text. Because this is a paragraph, it will always jump a line, jump a line, jump a line, no matter what you write. I don't think you understand the point. So because I make the browser bigger, that's why you can see some of it jump quickly. But when I reduce the size of my own browser, as you can see, everything, they are all on the same line. So in the later feature, I'm going to show you how you can break this by using HTML codes. There is a syntax, there is an HTML element that you can use, there is a HTML element that you can use to arrange it like this, that you will see whatever you write in this manner and you will see exactly the way it sits. But the tutorial is going to come in the future video. So I hope you understand this today. This is HTML displays for you. So we are going to stop here today. My name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe. Once again, have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.